जय माता जी एवरीवन। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, जो देवी सब प्राणियों में शक्ति रूप में स्थित है उनको नमस्कार नमस्कार बारंबार नमस्कार है।
Good morning, students. So today we are going to start chapter number 3, and chapter number 3 is water, the elixir of life. Let's see. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the importance of water and uses of water, how to prevent the uses of water. Okay, let's see. So now the first we will see, there is a hardly any activity that can be carried on without water. In our daily life, we need water for drinking, for washing and bathing. We need water for irrigation and for power generation. See, water जो है वो हमारी लाइफ में बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Without water, we cannot see our life. Okay, water is used for our daily life. Water is used for drinking, washing and bathing. And for irrigation means कि खेती करने के लिए भी water is very important. We need water for power generation means to generate electricity also. We need water to cook our food. Even the clothes we wear and the house we live in cannot be made without water. The paper this book is printed on can't be made without water. And it is not human being alone who need water to live. Animals and plants also need water to live. In fact, nothing on this earth can live without water. See, water is useful for cooking food, for washing our clothes, for making our house. This book's page, whatever we are seeing, this is also made by the water. So water is very useful for us. Not only for human beings, water is also useful and very important part of animals and plants also. Now see next. Water is a free gift of nature, but there is a saying, we never know the worth of water till the well is dry. We don't value the things we get free in our lives. We realize their values only when we don't get them. Think of a thirsty person in a desert. A drop of water to him is worth more than a sack of gold. But we never keep this in mind in our daily life. See, water जो है, water is a gift of God. We cannot see our life without water. So एक कहावत है, एक जो है water के बारे में phrase जो है, we never know the worth of water till the well is dry. जब तक कि कुआं सूख नहीं जाता है तब तक हमें कुएं के पानी की वैल्यू नहीं होती है. So we don't value the things that we have easily get. Okay, so when it get dry, then we realize only that how water is useful for us. Now see, we keep wasting water in variety of ways. We leave the taps running uselessly. We waste too much water for our bathing and washing. We don't care to fix the taps or pipes that are leaking. We waste huge quantities of water in washing or clothes, floors, our cars and bikes, our pots and pans. If we continue with all this, very soon a time will come when we shall have no water to drink even, and then imagine what will happen. See, we are continuously wasting the waters in variety of ways. For example, we are washing clothes, we are bathing, we are taking so much water for bathing. Okay, we keep our taps and everything leaking. If they are leaking, we keep them open. We have to fix that so we can prevent the water wastage. Okay, we should not waste water for washing our cars or our floors or our houses. Okay, we should not put waters in full quantities in pots and pans. Okay, now see, very soon we can see that there will be no water for our drinking also if we will waste this kind of water like this kind. Now water keeps evaporating into the air, and it is only trees that helps to bring it back as a rain or snow. But we have cut down so many trees and forests that we have very little rain now. As a result, our rivers, lakes and ponds are going dry, and we are pumping out so much of underground water that our wells too are going dry. The water level is sinking fast year after year. It is reached an alarming stage. It is now time for us to wake up, or it would be too late. If we want to continue living on this earth, we shall have to save every drop of water. We shall have to stop of wasteful use of water, and as you will see, it is not very difficult to do this. Now see, water is how we can get rain. Rain is coming by evaporation. Okay, sea and ponds and lakes everywhere, everything get evaporation, and then water comes up and then it come back us to like a river or like a rain. Okay, so trees are the most important part of bringing water back. If we, and now what we are doing, we are cutting trees, so it is not possible for rain to come back to again. Okay, so we have to stop the use of so much, we have to stop cutting water trees, so it will be easy for us to bring waters to back. Okay, the water levels are sinking from the all the water sources like ponds and rivers, they are getting dry, so we have to take care of that. Okay, so it is now alarming stage, means that we have to wake up and we have to think about that. Now what we can do, we have to stop wasting of water. Okay, so for that what we can do, अवॉइड अननेसेसरी फ्लशिंग ऑफ टॉयलेट्स, हमें टॉयलेट्स में बहुत ज़्यादा पानी का वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए. यूज़ मिनिमम ऑफ वाटर फॉर बाथिंग, बात करने के लिए हमें वाटर का कम यूज़ करना चाहिए. इंस्टॉल स्मॉल शावर हेड्स टू रिड्यूस द फ्लो ऑफ वाटर. शावर हेड्स जो होते हैं उसमें जो स्मॉल वाले जो आते हैं, वी हैव टू यूज़ दैट. जो बड़े वाले जो शावर आते हैं उसमें ज़्यादा वाटर का वेस्ट होता है. डोंट लीव द टेप रनिंग वाइल वॉशिंग द डिशेस इन योर किचन. हमें किचन में भी वाटर का यूज़ बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं करना है, ऐसे इन टैप्स को ओपन नहीं छोड़ देना है. टर्न ऑफ द टैप व्हेन नॉट इन यूज, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर ब्रशिंग योर टीथ और वॉशिंग योर क्लोथ्स. हमें क्लोथ्स वॉश करने के लिए या ब्रश करने के लिए भी वाटर के टैप्स को ऐसे खुला नहीं छोड़ देना है. वी हैव टू कीप देम क्लोज. अवॉइड हैंड वॉशिंग. वॉशिंग मशीन कंज्यूम्स मच लेस वाटर. हमें अगर हाथ से हम कपड़े धो रहे हैं तो उसमें हम ज़्यादा वेस्ट करते हैं पानी का, सो वी हैव टू यूज़ वॉशिंग मशीन जिससे वेस्ट कम हो. नो लीकेज ऑफ वाटर फ्रॉम टैप शुड बी अलाउड. इस घर में कहीं पे भी किसी भी टैप्स में से वाटर का लीकेज होना नहीं चाहिए. वी हैव टू इमीडिएटली रिपेयर देम. Overuse of detergents and fertilizers should be avoided. They increase the need of water. Okay, if you will add so much of detergent in your clothes or in your utensils, then you will need more water to clean them. Okay, so we have to less use of detergents and fertilizers जो है वो हमारे water को harm करते हैं. Lawn should be watered only when needed. Overwatering can do more harm than a good. Overwatering करने से plants को और उसको ज़्यादा लॉस होता है उसको, तो हमें ज़्यादा लॉस भी नहीं करवाना है प्लांट्स और उसको, तो हमें वाटर का यूज़ कम करना है. नाउ सी, रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग शुड बी डन इन ओल्ड टाउन्स एंड सिटी. रेन हार्वेस्टिंग, हाँ, रेन हार्वेस्टिंग क्या होता है? रेन हार्वेस्टिंग मीन्स कि जब भी रेन होता है तो हमें रेन वाटर को स्टोर करके रखना चाहिए. नाउ सी, व्हाट स्टेप वी कैन डू फॉर रेन हार्वेस्टिंग. Rainwater harvesting means the collection of rainwater from rooftops. Usually in towns and cities, the rainwater is allowed to run west through gutters and drain pipes. But we should not forget that rainwater is the primary source of water in our rivers, lakes, ponds and wells. See, रेन हार्वेस्टिंग करके हम बहुत सारा वाटर को कलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. नाउ क्या होता है सिटीज़ में, यहाँ पे गटर्स एंड ड्रेन पाइप्स होते हैं जिसकी मदद से सारा रेन वाटर जो है वो चला जाता है लेक्स और पॉन्ड्स और वेल्स में. तो हमें उस रेन वाटर को हम हमारे घर में कैसे स्टोर करके रख सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स सी. Okay, suppose your house or terrace, suppose your house has a terrace of 100 square meter. If the average annual rainfall in area is 60 centimeter, you can harvest 60,000 liters of water annually. Supposing 40% of it lost, still we shall have 36,000 liter of water for our use. The average daily drinking water requirement per person is about 10 liter. Thus, the rainwater harvest from a 100 square meter plot can give a 5 members family enough drinking water for the whole year. See, suppose कि आपके घर का terrace जो है that are 100 square meter wide. Okay, so what you have to do? So you और आपके area में 60 centimeter water होता है in year every year. Okay, so what you have to do? You can store 60,000 of liter water in your house. Suppose you think that 40% of water get ruined. Okay, जो जमीन जो है वो पानी सोख लेती है, तो suppose 60,000 लीटर वाटर जो आया है उसमें से 40% वाटर जो है वो लॉस्ट हो जाता है, स्टिल यू कैन गेट 36,000 लीटर ऑफ वाटर फॉर योर यूज एंड एवरेज person get 10 liter water for their daily lives. Okay, so now you have a 100 square meter plot can give you 5 members family of drinking water. तो ऐसा rain harvesting करके you can store 5 persons drinking water for entire year. So now what you have to do? You have to store the water and you have to keep it for entire year. Okay, so now students, what you will do, you have to complete all the exercise, you have to write the word meaning of this chapter and you have to complete all this exercise in textbook. You have to write question answer in your notebook. Okay students, bye bye.